View from the tent is insane.
Jim, I thought we were
Oh, not now. Not now. Not at the moment. You were Dr. Death now, son.
you know.
Me and Drufus caught wind of a camp at the Bat Cave happening tonight. So we decided we're going to gig crash. Should be a fair few lads there, we know. A couple we haven't met before. See how this goes, and hopefully some spot for us to pitch left. We'll see. On the trail can be, like. Find out what's coming out of this tunnel.
Oh my god.
Got a deep cave here. You gotta drop straight down and it goes under there. Look, shows how cold it is, yeah? Still some hailstones about. Trying to stay stealthy. They're around here somewhere. First person spotted. He spotted us. Hey, hey! It's the lads.
I got him in my bag, you had.
I love you!
Aye, aye. The flag as well, huh? Ah, the duck flag. Yeah, there's loads of people here. It's like some sort of protest. Go for the top pitch. I've been warned that there's snorers here and here, so I was going to go in the middle. Not anymore. What do you think of this, Poppy? Loads of friends for you. View from the tent is insane. There's just tents everywhere. There's Drufus up there. Just met Dragon Outdoors and Camping Wild with the Dragon as well. And I think I met all the other boys before. We're going to sit down here somewhere now. Rain's supposed to be coming in, so we're all going to be sitting under a 3.5 metre tarp. It's absolutely freezing. I got plenty of layers on. This dude here in his shorts. Hey! Should we set up there? Look at that.
Engineer fit there.
He's grouted them in as well. New feature. Rate that beer with Camping Wild with the Dragon. What do you got, man?
You go, aye. You go big.
Double chocolate, strawberry cream. How do you say that?
Profit or all?
Yeah.
Have to give her a 10. Eight. Good on you. Apparently he's had this sitting around for 2 months. Like. Had this sitting around for 2 months. Yeah.
Oh, you're going to off-road in the
Lads, it's busy, mind. Very busy. Here's us on the top of the hill. Got to make some food now, I think.
The nose is good.
Try of the limited edition Vault City toffee apple, something or other.
It's a spin on in Starbucks.
It is, isn't it? It's iced caramel.
That's the Starbucks sign, that isn't
I
it?
can't even read it. My eyes are
Reinvented.
sideways. Iced caramel, brown sugar apple. It's toffee apple sour, man. Good. What are you saying, Jim? You don't like toffee apples anyway, do you?
Real.
What? Off.
Yeah,
See that? Sweet Jen.
Unreal.
Bump your gums round that, aye.
He didn't even try it himself. This is his
How
can.
is that alcohol?
Aye, I got a few more.
What's the other cat?
Come on, try yourself. It's your can. You have nothing left now.
It's alright, they got more. It's not good.
What is that?
Oh, I don't know. I'm afraid of it.
Oh, no, please.
Here we go, first stage pump.
They got a fire.
Really?
Oh my God.
Yes!
Mate, that's right out of me.
Come on a minute.
Jamie's got his crazy spicy stuff out.
What about that?
Torturing all the boys, yeah.
After 40 seconds.
I'll have one now. It's my coat, man. It's right.
It's alright, it's not the calorie free, but it's not too bad, it's alright. Too bad.
It's not lovely.
That jump put me straight in the ear talker. I'm not gonna lie.
Yes.
Finish it. We're not enough. Fatality. We're on the third.
Get over here.
We got, okay, throw out the jam and run it up the cheese there. Got cheese.
Jam's pretty spicy.
What?
Just to add to it, we get
We
some
got
chili cheese.
cheese.
No, Jim. Split that in half and have the small cheese.
Put it on the head, boy. Put it on the head. Gee. Yeah. This one was your name on this one.
I go back to the dad scorpion.
No, hey, you don't pour your own boat. Hey, you would have stopped that.
Jim, I thought we were
Oh, don't know. Don't know. Don't let them know, man. You were docked to death now, son. I gotta give you what everyone else have had. Otherwise, it's not fair.
right.
That is
Off.
That's right. Dan. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, when they all right, hate you right now.
Put it in the head, boy. Put it in the head.
It's not gonna do all. Cool.
Put it in the head, boy. Put it in the head.
Oh,
You all right? Come on in. Next up. Go on in a day.
Get tears on it.
you know. Like,
Oh, boy, oh.
you're a savage, man.
Oh yeah. That's it then. Stack it. Oh. Oh yeah. Can't put a brief face on it. That is all. Oh my god. Oh god. Wearing a pair of Tesco bags.
Whether you want to take, and it's room, right? There's room for a couple on that.
Do you want to get on?
Do you want to get on? It's up to you. That is up to you.
Sink or swim, son. Sink or swim.
Right?
You ready for this?
No, I'm not. I'll be honest with you.
Already.
Oh, you
Right?
having this?
I'll be honest with you. That last sauce put me in the nerd locker for 10 minutes, right?
Just a dab, it's
Just
like,
a dab,
right? Just a dab, it's like, not as much. Right? We're all right. We're not more mad on this one, right? Carolina Reaper, hottest sauce in the world.
Hottest sauce in the world.
You know what?
This guy normally eats a korma, you know.
Looks all like that.
That's not okay.
It's all right.
Not okay.
He said it's all right.
It's like giving boys. Yeah.
Hey, boy.
Like, geez, no, he's a living sleeper, is he? He's got to the spice. He's got to
Go
the
back to
spice.
the senior side, can't I?
What are you back? Just a dab, it's back.
Why the cigar on them? Bad.
This is the #1 chili sauce that made Jamie cry just now.
I show photo now, hang on. Can't get the lid on it now. Oh, we'll have to drink it, boys. We'll have to drink it, we've got no choice. Can't get the lid on it.
Aye, put a fucking lid in it.
I know.
I know.
I can't.
He's on the ground.
Oh, I don't know.
Have it, man. You'll be right.
This is the caution of extremely hot. The end flat.
It's all in the name, innit? I mean, why would anyone flat like that says it all? I don't know what they're saying in there, you'll have to pause it. Devil juice.
It's a grim morning. Rain's coming down. We can barely see the boys. Some are packing up. It's about 7. The morning brew is on. And I've got this silly girl by here who just ran out, got wet, and then snaffled Rufus's spicy roll from last night. So we're going to see how that goes. Don't think she's feeling very happy about it right now. She's a daft girl. And I was thinking as well, I don't know why I always do this. Why don't I just take the fabric off in the night and then it won't blow away them, innit? Catch you again soon. Briggity briggle.